Did you know a French noblewoman became one of history's most terrifying pirates after the king executed her husband? Meet Jeanne de Clisson, who went from fancy aristocrat to the most feared sea captain of the 1400s in just a few years. When King Philip VI had her husband beheaded for treason, Jeanne didn't just cry about it, she got revenge. She sold everything she owned to buy an entire fleet of warships, painted them jet black with blood-red sails, and started hunting down French vessels along the coast. They called her the Lioness of Brittany, and she earned that name. Jeanne personally chopped off the heads of captured French nobles with an axe. She'd leave only one or two survivors from each ship she attacked, just so they could spread stories about her brutal revenge. For 13 years, her Black Fleet terrorized French waters. She recruited other enemies of France, turning her personal vendetta into a maritime nightmare that crippled French trade and naval power. Never underestimate what a woman can do when she's really angry.